Boost your revenue and drive growth with Google Ads. Reach high-value customers across the entire Google network.
How about me and N3on versus you?
Let's go.
N3on.
You in?
2v1, N3on. Huh? Yeah, 2v1.
Hey, I'm gonna hit him just like I hit
2v1, who you got?
him, of course. What the fuck?
All right, N3on, listen. This is
Play sides.
play sides. Yup. Like it's zone defense on 2K. Yeah. Put gloves quick. Go get gloves. Have you ever done this before?
Never.
Oh my god. Shout y'all got. Me.
I still don't know what kick is. Y'all let me know if y'all know what kick is. I'm not talking about the text app, I'm talking about Kick. It's the live stream. Well, I know it's a live streaming app, but I ain't looked it up before.
N3on or Ryan?
And I know Buddy can't fight, so hopefully he ain't overly bogus.
What's chat saying? Huh? Thank you, bro. Who you got?
I got you. They saying Ryan.
Huh, no. Wow, bro. The whole chat said they got Ryan.
I never sweat this much in my life, bro.
It's good.
That's insane. Got pictures watching.
Who you got, Mateo?
Let's go.
Okay. Yep.
He's gonna fucking you fuck him up right now. So whatever you want.
N3on, go.
Come on, God. 2-on-1.
Oh, shit. N3on.
Be working. Come on.
N3on. Ah, fuck. Oh, my God.
Come on. Come on.
Can't breathe. You knocked the wind out. Give me 10 seconds. I'm up. Time out. No, we got this shit. I'm gonna laugh like I'm wheezing. Yes, you hit me fucking insane. Hang on.
This guy's slapping his ass off. Come on, next bitch.
Hey, you sit up there, so I got
Yes, he did.
Oh my
He
God.
did. Bro, Ryan, wow.
Oh my God. I might need to take a shirt off.
Yo, Will, he got it, bro. N3on. Look, they're laughing. Is it?
I forgot that Ryan Garcia changed his whole little team. He don't even work with dude no more. I forgot all about that shit.
That laughing, you think?
Yes, you go, Sean.
You want it?
Play some basketball.
You want to?
Let's do it.
Come on.
Play some
Come on. Let's do it.
Let's go. Basketball now?
Yes, come
All
on.
right, respect. Hey, let's all come on. T.
Now we come to my sport. You know he's playing the league.
Group chat. Hey, group chat. Hey, for the team.
For the team.
Hey, we did that.
We did that.
We dogs.
We dogs.
Winners, different.
Winners, different.
It's all motherfuckers out here.
Soft motherfuckers.
We did that.
No, we're all hard.
We all hard. Tough. We good.
Yeah, we're good.
Let's go. Basketball.
Come on.
Let's go, man.
Come on.
All right, photo.
Oh.
Let's go. Hey, N3on, come on. All right, 3.
Fist.
Come on.
Fist.
3.
What's chat saying? Were they laughing?
Yeah.
Of course they were. They're such assholes, man.
They were saying W.
No, bro. I don't know if they heard how hard I got hit. No, it hurts so bad. My bad, bro. Right here.
What's under your shirt? Is it red?
Is it?
Yeah.
It's red. Not that red? It's red?
Damn, you did that.
Hey! Bro,